Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the opportunity given. Let me introduce our team. I'm Sherlyn Ilena as a leader of our project, Aldi Muhammad Lukman, Sandi Gusti Pramadina, Muhammad Hafiz Mulia Koswara, Nabila Ramadanieza, and Sally Ferrani. We are from Department of Physics Education, Indonesia University of Education. We will present our research paper entitled One Step to Figure the 21st Century Skills of Senior High School Students based on experiment activities in temperature and heat topic. The implementation of a quality learning process must involve all components including learning, subject matter, learning methods, learning media, teachers, students, environment, and evaluation by Zuhri and Rizaleni 2016. One of the components that support the success of learning is learning media. Listianto and Munadi define learning media as everything that is used to convey message from the teacher in a plain manner so as to create a conducive learning environment. One of the functions of the media in learning activities is to explain the material or physics concepts being taught. Technology has promising potential in improving education. Technology already has a big role in the implementation of the teaching and learning process, one of which is helping educators and students to interact actively. In addition, 21st century skills can be improved if the learning process is carried out using information and communication technology. This is in accordance with what was stated by Anderson, that there are four stages for information and communication technology integration, starting from emerging, applying, infusing, and transforming. Now, information and communication technology has become an integral part of individual and group activities as a tool that is used routinely to help learning in the classroom, one of which is through digitizing learning media that can be packaged more attractively and interactively of use. The use of digital-based learning media has a significant influence on the attractiveness of students to learning the competencies taught and can increase students' motivation and understanding in learning. Physics learning should be held interactively, which can motivate students to participate actively and build students' independence. Understanding the concepts, principles, and laws of physics through analytical thinking processes, curiosity, and scientific processes such as practicum is a demand when studying physics. In the last decade, online testing has become one of the hottest topics in education. Test results of research conducted by Fitriadi, Sugianto, and Sugiarto shows that tests conducted online are preferred because they have high accessibility and flexibility, as well as providing fast feedback so as to motivate students. In today's digital era, educators need quick, easy, and practical assessment activities. Based on the description above, we created a technology-based learning media in the form of developing standardized tests using an Android application to measure 21st century skills or courses based on experimental activities for students, which is called 4C Digital Pocket or 4C DIPU. The test consists of 32 questions to measure 21st century skills, namely 16 questions for the submaterial of temperature and expansion and 16 questions for the submaterial of heat transfer based on the rubric developed by Bose, 2012. We made experiment videos to help students work on the questions given. Videos and question instruments will be entered into the Android application using Android Studio, which can be downloaded by users. This is because Android is currently the most widely owned by the community. According to Team EMS, the Android system is an electronic device that functions as a mobile device and consists of an operating system, middleware, and key applications released by Google. In line with this opinion, Kasman defines Android as a system that can operate various tasks on mobile devices that are touchscreen. The use of the Android system allows a wider number of users because it is practical and comprehensive, allowing for rapid application development on Android devices. The characteristics of Android that are easy to develop and modify make it very appropriate to be used as needed in learning. According to Fatima, the increasing use of smartphones among school age makes it potential to develop Android applications as learning media in schools to achieve national education goals. The use of Android applications in the learning process has a positive impact on students, including increasing learning motivation and understanding students' concepts, of a material and training student skills in understanding learning material. Challenge, problems, life, and careers in the 21st century can be successfully faced if we master 21st century skills by Redana 2019. According to the National Education Association, 21st century skills include critical thinking and problem-solving skills, namely giving scientific reasons, making decisions, and finding solutions to problems. Innovative and creative, namely getting ideas to find solutions to problems using various techniques and achieving real and useful contributions in various fields by conveying creative ideas. Collaboration, namely working effectively and systematically with diverse group members, being actively involved in achieving goals by exercising flexibility and awareness, and appreciating and respecting the contributions of each group member. And communicate effectively, namely utilizing various types of media and technology and using verbal, written, nonverbal communication skills in various forms and contexts to convey ideas. Technological advances have also resulted in laboratory activities being carried out digitally. A laboratory activity can be carried out without laboratory equipment as usual. This can be done by presenting video-based experiment media. The video-based experiment media utilizes computer technology in learning through experiment activities. Saptaryana suggested that experiment videos are an alternative to electronic learning that can contain insight and knowledge about learning materials. With an experiment video which explains some experiments, it can make students learn independently and can support students to understand concepts. The activity of conducting digital experiment is also supported by a virtual laboratory. A virtual laboratory is a computer-based media that contains simulation of activities in a physical laboratory. Virtual laboratories are created to illustrate reactions that may not be visible in real situations. This virtual laboratory is quite used to assist the learning process in order to improve students' understanding of the material, and is also suitable for anticipating the unpreparedness of a real laboratory, by Sutrisno 2011. The method used in this research is research and development, or R&D. According to Berg and Gall, educational research and development, or R&D, is a process used to develop and validate educational products. The steps of this process are usually referred to as the R&D cycle, which consists of studying research findings pertinent to the product to be developed, developing the products based on these findings, field testing it in the setting where it will be used eventually, and revising it to correct the deficiencies found in the field testing stage. In more rigorous programs of R&D, this cycle is repeated until the field test data indicated that the product meets its behaviorally defined objectives. This R&D research resulted in a product in the form of an Android-based application to measure students' 21st century skills based on experimental and virtual laboratory activities on temperature and heat topics, which we named 4C Digital Pocket or 4C Depot. The development model that we use in this research is the ADDIE development model. There are 5 main stages in the ADDIE development model, namely analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation, as shown in this picture. The analysis phase is carried out by means of a literature study from valuable research and articles. The content in this application is designed and made as good as possible to be easily understood by users. In developing this application, the important point that we consider is that the application must be easily accessible and easy to use. The first discussion is the simulation of Android application. The home menu. The home section consists of the logo, subject, year of manufacture, and buttons that can be pressed by the users to enter the topics of temperature and expansion, conduction heat transfer, help, and about this application as shown in this figure and table. Users must press the icon of this application to open the home menu. The expected results are showing logo, subject, year of manufacture, and buttons that can be pressed by the users to enter the topics of temperature and expansion, conduction heat transfer, help, and about this application. Test result is successive. Temperature and expansion, conduction heat transfer menu. When pressing this menu, users can see a display consisting of buttons that can be pressed by the users to enter the video menu of experiments, virtual laboratory, and 21st century skills test, as shown in this figure and table. Users must press the temperature and expansion or conduction heat transfer button on the home menu. The expected results are shown buttons that can be pressed by the users to enter the video menu of experiments, virtual laboratory, and 21st century skills test. The result is successive. Experiment activity video menu. Users can press the experimental activity video menu, which will be directly connected to YouTube. To view this full screen display, the user can press the full screen button. To turn on subtitles or captions, user can press the caption button. To watch video, users can press the play button. To speed up the video, users can press the right side of the screen twice. To repeat, the user can press the left screen twice as shown in this figure and table. Users must press the experiment activity videos button. The expected results are showing experiment videos connected directly to YouTube. Test result is successive. Virtual laboratory menu. Users can also press the virtual laboratory button that will connect directly to the Wolfram web. Users are advised to use supported browsers such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari. For temperature and expansion virtual laboratory, users can choose available thermometer filling fluids such as freshwater, seawater, acetone, ethanol, and methanol. Users can move forward and backward by shifting to change the fluid mass. Users can move forward and backward by shifting to change the temperature of liquid. After that, users can get heat released. For conduction heat transfer virtual laboratory, to see the process of the melted wax, users can move forward and backward by shifting the heating time or by pressing the button plus above the simulation as shown in this figure and table. Users must press the virtual laboratory button. The expected results are showing virtual laboratory connected directly to Wolfram web. Test result is successive. 21st century skill test. After watching the experiment activity video and the virtual laboratory, users can answer 21st century skills test related to the data and activities in this video. The test consists of 16 multiple choice questions on each topic, temperature and expansion, and conduction heat transfer. Next, users can press the submit button when they have finished the test, as shown in this figure and table. Users must press the 21st century skill test button. The expected results are showing the test consists of 60 multiple choice questions on each topic, temperature and expansion, and conduction heat transfer. Users can press the submit button when they have finished the test. Test result is successive. Final score menu. After pressing the submit button, users can see the final score of the questions that have been answered, as shown in this figure and table. Users must press the submit button. The expected results are displayed the final score of these questions that have been answered. Test result is successive. View K21 score menu. Users can press the button to view scores for each 21st century skills, namely critical thinking, collaboration, communication, and creativity. After that, the users can return by pressing the home button or press the solution button to get explanation of each question as shown in this figure and table. Users must press the View K21 score button on the final score menu. The expected results are displayed scores for each 21st century skills, namely critical thinking, collaboration, communication, and creativity. Test result is successive. Solution menu. Users can press the solution button to get explanation of each questions so that they can learn from the mistakes that have been made when answering the test, as shown in this figure and table. Users must press the solution button on the solution menu. The expected results are showing the explanation of each questions so that they can learn from the mistakes that have been made when answering the test. Test result is success. Help menu. Users can press the help button if they find it difficult to run this application, It consists of explanation on each menu and an email that can be contacted for complaints as shown in this figure and table. Users must press the Help button. The expected results are displayed the explanation on each menu and an email that can be contacted for complaints. Test result is successive. About menu. Users can press the About this application button to get information about the Android application that is being used as shown in this figure and table. Users must press the About button on the home menu. The expected results are showing the information about the Android application that is being used. Test result is successive. The second discussion is the testimonials from users. Testing by users of the 4C Depot was carried out by taking reviews from 3 users who ran the 4C Depot application. The first review was obtained from Head of Study Program of Physics Education, Mr. Dr. Ahmad Samsudin, MPD, said that he really appreciated what for researcher-student are made. 4C Depot or 4C Digital Pocket, it's very useful for the students, especially in high school and junior high school in learning physics. This media or 4C Depot is very useful when students learn physics to use a virtual laboratory activity in temperature and heat transfer experiment. The second review was obtained from physics high school teacher, Mrs. Haja Eli Chorizo, SPD, said that after seeing and trying this application, she was very impressed and amazed by the creation of new technology from researcher. Experiments made are very easy to understand and use with easily available tools. Technology is indeed developing very rapidly, so she feels that this application can be applied to strengthen material with experiments and assessments in high schools. Moreover, there is already explanation in it for each item of the question that can make users understand the meaning of 21st century skills. In the future, she hopes there will be more physics material that researchers can make in the application. The third review was obtained from high school students. Ms. Abkoriatin Ilmi said that the application is very useful for us, especially as students to understand and explore the concepts of physics. During the pandemic, we didn't get the practicum in the laboratory, so we only studied the theory presented by teacher. The questions given are also very challenging. There are solutions that help us learn better. Anyway, it's very complete and cool. The conclusion are the Android application we created can be one of the applications that help teachers in the process of assessment quickly, easily, and practically by equipping experimental videos and virtual laboratory that are easily accessible and understood. All content has run in accordance with expected results or can be called successful. We hope in the future this Android application can be developed by adding materials and features, also fixing existing shortcomings. We hope this paper will benefit everyone. Thank you. Good afternoon.